Alright guys, so we got this car and the mirror is broken. It needs a new mirror, but the customer says to make some magic happen. So I went and got my scissor, cut this off, so it's out of my way for now. So pretty much these are weak mirrors. You can buy these for like 50 bucks probably. There you go. Try to get this to the perfect spot. Plastic into plastic. You don't want to drill a hole through this and crack this guy. So tap screws usually work best for me. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm going to try to get like 3 screws in there. There you go. It's not going nowhere. That's one. Let's bring the camera a bit closer. So if you guys have issues like this, very simple. It's always gonna break if somebody hits it because these mirrors are not that strong. And here goes the second one. There you go. And a third one. So this is the tap screws I'm using here. Bada bing, bada boom. It's not going nowhere. If you want, put one from the bottom facing a little bit upward, and that's about it. Try not to go close to the window side because the window does need to travel inside here up to this level. Anyways, that's it. If you want to make it look a little better, take some black duct tape, put that over it, or use some flat-headed screws. That's it. I'm gonna put one more here and probably one from the bottom, and I'm all done. All this stuff is gonna come out. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys can do this on your own.